How to transfer contacts from Android to another phone. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to easily transfer contacts from one Android phone to another in just a few steps. No cables, no stress. Let's get started. Method 1. Using your Google account. On your old phone, go to Settings, Google, Settings for Google Apps, and Google Contacts Sync. Make sure Contact Sync is turned on. Now, on your new phone, just log in with the same Google account. Wait a few seconds and your contacts will sync automatically. Easy. Method 2. Exporting and importing a VCF file. On your old phone, open the Contacts app. Tap the three dots, then choose Export and save your contacts as a VCF file. Send the file to your new phone. You can use Bluetooth, email, or WhatsApp. On the new phone, open Contacts. Tap the menu and choose Import. Select the file and you're done. Bonus: SIM card method. You can also save contacts to your SIM card on the old phone. Then, insert the SIM into your new phone and import the contacts. And that's it. You just learned how to transfer contacts from one Android phone to another using 3 different methods. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time.